Welcome to the WTO e-learning platform. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create your account, reset your password if needed, and enroll in your virtual classroom. Let's get started. To enroll in your virtual classroom at WTO e-learning, you'll need to have an account in the e-learning platform at https://www.learningwto.org. Start by visiting the registration page. The registration form is available from the login page under the green button named Register. Once you're there, read and accept the terms of use. Now, set a unique username and a secure password. Make sure to fill in all required fields. The password field requires a minimum of 8 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, and special characters. After that, click the Submit button to send your registration form. Check your email for a confirmation message and follow the activation link to set up your account. Now, if you've already created an account but forgot your password, no worries. Simply click Forgot Password on the login page, enter your email, and follow the instructions to reset it. You will receive a reset password link shortly in your inbox or spam folder. Now that you have your account, let's see how to enroll in virtual classrooms. To enroll, simply click the direct course link you received via email by the course organizers. You'll be directed to log in to the WTO e-learning platform. After logged in, enter the enrollment key provided by your course organizer. After enrolling, access your course anytime from the My Learning section on your dashboard. A virtual tour will guide you on how to use the platform effectively. And don't forget, if you need more help, feel free to reach out to your course administrator or contact us at elearningwto.org. Enjoy your learning experience.